Hi everybody, it's Amy from Bargain Beauty and I am here at Dollar Tree. They are stocking today, so I'm just going to show you guys a couple of new items that I found, and I will come back in a couple of days and we will look at all the new stuff they put out. They have started to put out their St. Patrick's Day items. Shamrocks all around. Happy St. Patrick's Day. The welcome sign. I'm probably going to get that sign. And I really liked this sign as well. It's kind of like faux wood. I thought that was pretty cool. They have these cute little sprigs and they have little gold coins in them. Of course, they have like the coins and the towels. Little doorbells. Novelty glasses. I thought this was pretty cool too. Light up bracelet. I think that's really cool actually. And then they just have like the fillers and little table toppers. These are so cute. And of course the necklaces. They usually have those every year. Every time stuff is new, I knock it down. They have the cute little skirts and the boas and the LED string lights. They got a bunch of socks, and I actually had a subscriber ask me to look at the socks next time, so this is for you. Hopefully you're watching. Shamrock and Roll. Kiss me. Kiss me, I'm lucky. Okay. So cute. Little rainbow socks. Kiss me, I'm Irish. Very cute. So that was for you. They put the seeds out, and I gotta tell you guys, grab these while they have them because they go really quickly at my store and they work really, really well. The retail value is $2.99. They come up every single year. I've used them for 3 years now. They're awesome. I did grab 3 of them for myself today. I grabbed the marigold. They have the wildflower blend pollinator, wildflower blend bird and butterfly. They have 4 shaded area, and then they have the zinnias semi-dwarf, and they also have the wildflower for hummingbirds. So guys, if you see these, grab them because they're awesome. I really love the packaging on the new Bolero. Body polish, coconut oil, and sea salt. This would make a really, really cute basket for someone. Even Easter, like these could be Easter colors. You could put a little bit of, you know, the fun blues and greens and do a nice little cute basket. Somebody translate that for me because I have no idea. Okay, so body polish in the coconut oil and sea salt. They also have the French lavender and citrus. They have facial scrub, coconut oil and sea salt. So they got a few of those. They have the paper facial masks as well in both of the different types. They also have the wipes, the face wipes. And you get 30, so that's pretty good. Let me know if you guys have tried any of these products. I would love to hear from you. And so would everyone else watching who maybe can't purchase. A lot of times people say, just buy it, it's only $1, but I don't necessarily need all this stuff, so it's nice when people give us feedback. Bath bombs, you get 3 in a pack in both scents. I call them scents. I hope that's okay, guys. So the facial scrub again, and they have the oils as well. I just really, really like the packaging. I think it's really nice, and it looks way more expensive than what it really is, which is great. So if you can find this, put a couple aside a week, and you can end up making somebody a really, really awesome Easter basket or a nice birthday gift. I actually came like a week ago, and they just put these pillows out. I didn't do a full video because there really wasn't enough to show you guys, but they do have these really cute red sequin heart pillows that turn over into silver. Let's see, I'll show you the size compared to my hand. Well, that's not a good comparison. They're tiny, just a heads up. Not like super tiny, but they're not like a large throw pillow. They have some really cute tote bags. You don't know how much I love you. It's so cute. And then they have the love tote. And this one's really, really cute. It's got the little camera on it and the little envelopes. I just thought this was cute with the gold envelope. These are really pretty, and they look like they would cost a lot more than $1. These look like they almost would come from Target. They have them in this really pretty blue, and they also have them in this neutral brown. They have the weaved type baskets up here. I drop one thing in every video. Oh, and they have it in green. I did not see that before I turned the camera on. So they have purple and blue. Lots of fun colors. Lots of them look like they could be worth definitely more than $1. I actually purchased 3 of these and replanted some plants I had at home that I'm trying to save. 2 spider plants and then another plant I had gotten at Aldi. So I just purchased 3 of these. I like them a lot. They're like a really nice size and very, very sturdy. These are a little thinner, just a heads up. I have a question for you guys. Were you able to get the pumpkin Cheerios? Last time I was here, when there really wasn't a ton to film, there was a whole end cap of pumpkin Cheerios. I would love to know if they came to your store and if you got them. I hope you guys did. It was a big family-sized box. I know it's been a while since I've done a lot of the craft and stickers and stuff like that because, guys, honestly, there's not a ton of new stuff. I mean, they're really nicely stocked on all the basics that they normally have, like the alphabet beads. They have these little bead sets, these glass bead sets, which are really cool. And like the sequins, let me let her go by. They have the art palettes, the cute little paint sets, the train and the pony, all the little fun eyes, some paint. I mean, it's pretty much the basics over here, so that's why I don't want you to think that, like, I don't still love this section. I really, really do. I think these stickers are new. I saw them last time I was here. They had a couple more options when I was here, but they've got these cute little sticker sets, 3 to a pack. It's a really good deal, 87 stickers. Roadside bingo. But see what I'm saying? Like the wood dowels, they've got the little palette knives. It's pretty much the same. So I don't want to just keep repeating the same stuff for you guys. I like trying to find the new items. But yeah, here's a quick scan. And I haven't forgot about you crafters and DIYers, not at all. This particular store just doesn't have a large section, but it's a very nicely stocked, organized section, which is pretty cool. This is another section that we haven't been down together in a little bit. So I'm going to cover all 3 sections I decided in this video that we haven't been down for a minute. The aisles, Hopes and Dreams notebook, Do What You Love, clipboards, little stickers, jot scented markers. They look like they just restocked these. I think they've had these before, right? Yeah, I think they have. Line scented circles. They are pretty cool though, but they definitely just put them out. So either they're new and I'm delusional because everything runs together here at the Dollar Tree for me at this point, or they just completely restocked them. I don't see any new pens. I know some of you really like stationery products. Medium ink, pink, quick drying ink. They also have it in this pretty blue, sky blue. What is your favorite pen or brand? It sounds boring, but to some people, like myself, who really enjoy stationery products, it's not. I want to hear what your favorite one is so I can get some new pens. I have so many Bic pens from all those freebies, guys. I'm over it. I need something new. Sharpie came to the Dollar Tree last year. I love writing with a Sharpie for like literally everything, even when it's not appropriate. Jot notebooks, some writing tablets. This is why I haven't, see what I'm saying? think sometimes people like to make sure that I'm covering everything I need to cover. Are these new? Oh, did we just find washi after I just smack talked it? Watermelon. That's pretty. This one. I think these definitely are new. Little world. Oh, look at this one. You know what would help? I was trying to show you from that side. It's gonna be alright, guys. I'll get it together. Somebody told me to tap my camera to make it focus. Did that help? Let me know in the comments. Here, how about I go closer? I think it did. I don't know if anybody stuck around after me saying, oh, there's nothing new in this aisle. I hope you stayed to the washi. Oh boy. I'd say the same thing about the kitchen area as well. It's all the standards, all the great values, but pretty much solid patterns. That's why I haven't really filmed over here too much. These we actually saw at the end of last year. I think these are one of the best values for $1. And the trays, of course. But I'll take a minute just to kind of scan for you if you haven't seen these items before. I do check every single aisle when I'm here. But again, very well stocked, lots of product, just not a lot of new items. I'm excited because they've probably got 100 boxes on the floor, and I'm not even exaggerating. And I can't wait to come back and film next time because I think there's going to be some really good stuff. I was kind of peeking. That's going to be it for me today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. If you like Dollar Trees and you like Shop With Me's, then you definitely want to subscribe to the channel. I will talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.